previous class we study about the health and disease. Okay, so in this session we study the types of disease. Okay, what is the normal health type of disease? There is a according to duration and according to result. So according to duration, chronic and acute disease will be there, and according to reason is the acquired disease and hereditary disease. After that there is a acquired disease, there infection disease and non-infection disease. Okay, so in today class, yes, infection disease is called common flu, dengue. These are the infection diseases. Today's class will you observe the infection disease in details. So what is their mode of transmission, symptoms, and how to prevent that, you can study in this session. Here is a chart given there. Infection disease spread through the contaminated air, water, food, or vector. Vector means the insected or animals. Okay, are called the infection disease. So first one disease of the infection is the first column is the TB. Okay, and their name is the tuberculosis. Okay, so there is a pathogenic disease for virus name or pathogen name is that Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, these are the virus name is there. And mode of transmission splitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with sharing of patient material. So if you contact with person of that is suffering from the TB, you will be affected there. So symptom is chronic cough, blood splitting, difficulty in breathing. These are the, and their prevention is available there or treatment. BCG vaccine is there for small baby. BCG vaccine is given that for TB purpose. Okay, and there is isolation for patient, regular medicine like a dot is the organization which are control the TB control. Okay, that are the organization working for the TB controlling this. Next is the habitat disease. Habitat virus for ABCD, that is the virus name. ABC, the modification of the virus according to that. So there is a contaminated water, sharing of needs, blood transfusion. These are the main mode of transportation. Okay, a symptom is that urine yellow, generally weakness, vomiting. These are the some symptoms. So what we prevent that? Drinking water, boiled okay, and proper cleaning hand. These are the prevention or treatment. Okay, or cure. Okay, these are after that dysentery. Dysentery is also one type of disease from mode of transportation is the bacteria. From bacteria there will be disease occur the what dysentery. Okay, the main of symptom is that water slowly pains in abdomen, so you feeling the pain on abdomen. So what is the prevention and treatment for that? Drinking of boiling water, proper storage of food, and ORS consumption. ORS is the medicine for drinking purpose. Okay, so if you the ORS drink, that will be a relief for the patients. Okay, cholera. Cholera is also water contaminated disease. Vibrio cholera is the name of the bacterium. Contaminated food and water. So these are disease also mode of infection is that contaminated disease and water is there. Mostly all the disease of the infection is the from water, food and insect. Okay, that are the mode of infection is there. So yes, vomiting serves, diarrhea, heart in legs. So that will be symptoms of the cholera disease. Okay, the following hygienic practices: avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. So you can avoid open place food, that is the store openly store, and that is very contaminated from infection viruses. So avoid that one, so you can be control the cholera. After that is typhoid. Typhoid is a high fever disease is that, and their virus is the bacterium, and name is that Salmonellum typhi. Okay, so that's name of the viruses. So this is contaminated from food and water also, and there is symptoms is that headaches, rash on abdomen, and dysentery, fever up to the 104 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is a temperature measures, body temperature measure in unit is there. Okay, generally temperature is measured in Celsius, but nowadays we can measure the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, yes. Drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage, that are the prevention and treatment of the disease. Okay, so these are the main disease caused by it. But nowadays also one major disease caused, there is a name is corona. So you can write on your notebook name of disease corona. Yes, pathogen means virus name is there. COVID-19, correct. Mode of infection, through contact the infected person. Yes, yes, yes. Through the splitting of patient through air, and symptoms is that fever, yes, coughing, yes, coolness, and prevention still is not there, but prevent, therefore avoid the contact for patient, use the mask, sanitize your hand. Okay, that are the prevention for corona. Okay, similarly you can prepare the table for the infection disease, like prepare similar table or infection about viral disease like malaria, dengue and Aedes. Okay, so malaria and dengue I will explain here, and additionally Aedes is you can see in next there in already one paragraph is there about the Aedes. Okay, so after that where the observe the picture. Yes, this picture, and you can, where do you see the waterlogged material show in picture? These are the open place, either garage, either the non-use land. Okay, these are the dustbin. Here to see the picture. Whether do you anticipate in the help of this picture? Yes. Okay. Disturb in the surrounding. These are the, yes. So internet, my friend, you can search on the internet, search the results, symptoms and other information about chickenpox disease. Chickenpox disease, what you know the chickenpox disease? Have you heard that chickenpox disease? Okay, so you can search on internet, you will be observe that different information you got, useful information from internet, and you can write down, collect the additional information plus folio and WHO. What is WHO? World Health Organization uh, is the organization which are working on the, yes, health of disease. Okay, so there is a dengue, swine flu, and Aedes. Okay, so dengue, what is the, yes, so dengue is a caused by the different two viruses. Okay, one is the DN1 two virus, and other was the Aedes aegypti. These are the symptoms of the. So you can start some important disease of prevent days. Okay, some important disease of prevent days. Which are the important disease of prevent days? Mostly you affected by the corona. You are the most important disease. So you can study also corona in detail, but yes, yes. But in the syllabus, your corona subject is not given there. Okay, so I will be only for the written purpose for your notebook. Okay, how can we observe the personal hygiene? How should we drink boiled water in rainy season? Why? Why the clean hand and run in school? These are the some questions arising from you. So it will be very important to you. Okay. So dengue, next important disease is that dengue. So dengue, observe that mosquito lay the eggs in water locked place, and thereby near population increases. So dengue is generally observed in the uh, locked waters, and that will be population increase in that water only. Okay, the different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread in the Aedes aegypti. Okay, Aedes aegypti is the their virus name. Okay, this disease is caused by the DIN 1 and 2 virus belong to the type of Flammiviridae. virus. Okay, virus. These are the name of the dengue virus. Okay. Next is the symptoms of dengue. So what are the symptoms of dengue? Acute fever and headache and vomiting. So if for the person suffering from the dengue, that fever, the high fever. Okay. Yes. So that will be more than 45 degrees Celsius or above 104 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. That will be the temperature of their body, and vomiting also the feeling, that pain of eye socket and very prominent symptoms. So they can also pain on their eye. Okay. Uh, Decrease in platelet count that may be led to the normal hemorrhage. Means there is a platelet is the our body soldier which is a decrease in counting when the person suffering from the dengue diseases. That so decrease in platelet count that may be lead a internal hemorrhage. That is a very harmful. If you will decrease the platelet, means your body soldier is a immunity power is a less, and that will be infected for the very disease will be there. Observe that very harmful disease will there. So if you decrease the platelet or body count, okay, so that will be important for us to maintain our body platelet. Okay, yes. So next is that observe the picture shown following and write a description in boxes. So what you observe in this picture? There is a old, yes. There is what you observe in this picture. One, yes, one water instrument stored in the, yeah, okay. What you observe in this picture? A mosquito is there. Okay. What you observe in this picture? Mosquito here, mosquito controller here, mosquito control here, and my baby here to doing this. Okay, these are the observation of picture. uh, Collect the information. Which measure are taken from mosquito control by the gram panchayat, municipal or council municipal of your area? So you can collect the information which instrument use there, or which uh, mosquito control use there. So there will be inform you. Okay, with the help of any elder person. Okay, next, do you know malaria is caused by the female amphibian, while the amphibian due to the female olex? Amphibians and adu grow in the clean water, while alphix in the dirty sewage waters. These are the differences to that. Okay, yes, so it is grow in the clean water also, but there is a stoppage water for more than that years. Okay, and collects in dirty sewage water will be there. Okay, that are the differences. That will be yes. So next is that swine flu. So you already know that a swine flu is a where is swine flu occur. First question you know about that. What? Swine flu first patient occur in where? 2009, correct? Yes, but where location you do know about that? In Mexico. Okay, in first case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009. Swine flu is caused by virus H1N1 person who is come in contact with the pigs and contract this disease. Okay, so swine flu is a caused first person in 2009 in Mexico. Okay, yes. The yes, the infection of swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. So there are main infections from the swine flu through a pig. Okay, so these are the dirty water and sewage. There is a yes. That's why the pig is the internal body. According to that, that's why the harmful to us for pig contact to near to pigs. Okay, virus of swine flu are spread through the spit of infection person. So also they can spread to the infection person's sweat. So, similarly, it is spread through the secretion of nose, thorax, and saliva. These are the also infection for the nose, thorax, and silva. The symptoms of swine flu: deficits in breathing, sore hand, thorax, and body pain. These are the common symptoms from the disease of the swine flu. Okay. Next is diagnosis of swine flu. Diagnosis of swine flu in Pune International Laboratory is available. National Institute of Virology available in Pune, and Delhi is NICT. There are two laboratories available in India. Okay. So how they diagnose that? For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from thorax of patient is sent to the laboratory. Diagnosis facility are available in National Institute of Virology means virus study, and Pune, and the National Institute of Communicable Disease, that is Delhi. Okay, there is a two instrument available or laboratory available for the curing disease of the swine flu. Okay. Yes, there is also given. Do you know that first case of swine flu is reported in Mexico in 2009? In swine flu goes by the person virus. Yes, influenza H1N1 person who are come in contact with, we can contact this disease. So that are the okay. So today in topic we study about that. First is the important disease in prevention, corona. After that is you can write down corona disease, prevented, virus name means yes, and their symptoms and prevention and control or treatment. Okay. Second was the dengue, mosquito lay in, yes, and their symptoms acute fever, headache, and their temperature of body is decreasing platelet, body platelet of soldiers. After that you study about next this is the swine flu. Swine flu is a occur by H1N1 viruses. Okay, in short me. Okay, these are the main come from the pig and contact with disease for animals. Okay, these are the main reason for this, and there is a symptoms of swine flu is difficulty breathing and sore thorax and body pain. These are the common symptoms for the